How to withdraw money from plus 500. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can withdraw some money from app.plus500.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the video, and don't forget you're going to be able to find app.plus500.com sign up and website links in the description of this video. So first of all, when you create an account, you must go here into the menu in the left part, account, and now verify account. If you want to add, and specifically if you want to withdraw some money, your ID, residential address, phone, and email must be verified. If this is not in this proper way, there's no way you can withdraw some money. Once you have done that, in the left menu again, you have to click on funds, and there you're gonna find the option to withdraw. As you can see, I don't have any money by now, so I'm not gonna withdraw real money by now, but you can continue with the process. So to submit a withdrawal via bank transfer, please make sure that your bank account is verified too. If you haven't verified your bank account yet, click on add account to complete the process. So you must add an account here by now, and this is the spaces that you must fill: the name of bank, SWIFT code, bank account number, and once you have done that, add a new bank account. Once you have done that again, not by now, if you come back here, you must just type the amount in your currency that you must to get into your bank account, then select your bank account. I don't have one by now, but you just have to select it and click on submit. There are some specifications at the end of this page. By now, the minimum withdrawal amount around in my country is this amount. It's around like $80, I could say. And that's it. That's what you must know by now. It's pretty simple, but obviously, as I told you, you must verify your account and to verify your bank account in order to proceed with the withdrawal. But that's it. That's how you can withdraw money from plus 500. Thanks for watching.